shove them into a jar, pour the brine over it until they're fully covered, and then put them in the fridge, and that's it. Oops. And I like to use these little Talenti containers. They're fantastic for reusing. No balsamic. I'm gonna do a mixture of white vinegar and red wine vinegar. The red wine vinegar is a little bit sweeter. I've been released early, yay! So I've got this red wine vinegar, and then I'm just gonna use distilled white vinegar. And I just need a little pot. Welcome back to the land of the living. Little pot here. Oh, I forgot to add some vinegar to the meat. I wanted to do that. Oh, I could just get to use up the last of my white vinegar. 8 p.m. it's 102. It's 74 inside, but it's 64 outside. So I'm gonna do 3/4 cup water here. Sorry. I did forget the kitchen sink. I knew I was forgetting something. 3/4 cup vinegar and then 1/4 cup water. I need a little bit more vinegar. Ta-da! It's okay, the vinegar will stir in nicely at the end. So it's not, I'll leave it out so I don't forget. I'm gonna use red wine vinegar. And then about a teaspoon of sea salt. I'm not gonna use my heavy sea salt. I'm gonna use my fine ground sea salt. It's like 86 in your bedroom. I would not be able to sleep in that. In fact, I'm considering opening the window in my house. All right, there's some salt. And then I'm just gonna do white sugar, because I think that is what tastes best in this recipe. And this recipe calls for 1 to 2 tablespoons. I prefer to go a little bit heavy on that. The kitchen sink. That is a genius idea. So here's 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, and about a half. So about 2.5 tablespoons, and I'm just gonna put this on the stove and let it warm up until all the sugar is melted. A spice mix called the kitchen sink is amazing. I love that idea. I love that idea. Oh. And then while I'm waiting for this, I'm going to see if I can fit all of my red onion into my jar. If I can't, I'm going to have to use 2 jars.